Hi dears, how are you dears? Yes, Sitaram International School, we create confident kids. Okay dears, today we are going to see revision session. Okay, English session. Okay, where you see this session dears? Okay, coming 7. What? What year coming 7? Yeah, coming 7. SCA2 exam starts on our school. Okay, SCA2 examinations. Okay, so here we can see in this video portions, lessons and etc. etc. Okay, now we are going to see alphabets. Okay, what is called alphabets dear? Can you tell? Yeah, English alphabets. How many letters are there here? Can you tell anybody? Very good. 26 letters. Okay. Can you tell? Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, these are called what? Yes. Do you know well? Yeah. Okay, can you tell? Very good. These letters are capital letters. Nice, very good, superb, amazing, wow, well done, well done. Yeah, these letters are called also uppercase letters. What dear? Uppercase letters. Okay, next one we can see. We have to see next year. What letters are there? These are also alphabets. These are big alphabets, these are small alphabets. Yeah, these are capital letters, these are small letters. Okay. These are called what dear? Anybody else? Yeah, super. These are called lower case letters. What is this? Again, repeat again. Lower case letters. What dear? Lower case letters. Okay. Next. What is this dear? Yeah, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, chair, cow. Those are C letter words. What is this? Door, D for door. Can you tell another? Can you tell other? Yeah, very good. D for dog, D for duck, D for dolphin. Yeah, super. E for egg. What is this? E for egg. Then E for elephant. E for elephant. Then F for fish, fox. Then fish, fox, and so on. So, okay. G for what, dear? Girl. G for girl. Oh, G for girl. Okay. Then H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. Did you like ice cream? Yeah. How is it taste, dear? Did you eat? Did you taste? Yeah. It's very cool. It's very sweet. Yeah, super. Very good, dear. J for Jack. Then J for juice. Did you like juice, dear? Yeah, I know well. All are like juice, but you did not buy chemical juices. Okay, you can you will prepare in your home fresh juice. That's only healthy for our childs. Okay. Kite. Why kite? K for king, K for kite. L for leaf. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. P for, can you say any P letter word? Parrot, pot, pigeon, pig. Yeah, super. Quit. What is this? Yeah, quill, quick, Q, this queen. These are Q letter words. R for robot. Yeah. R for rose. S for star. T for tap. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watch. Very good. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zip. Okay, these are alphabet chart. Alphabet words. These are called alphabet words. Okay. Yeah, super, dear. Okay. These also alphabets. Okay. What is this, dear? Can you tell anybody? Yeah. A, E. What letter? I. What letter? O. What letter? U. Okay. A-E-I-O-U. Can you hear? Yeah, these are vowels. There are 26 letters in our English. Okay. 26 alphabets in the English. Okay. Here A-E-I-O-U. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 letters are only vowel letters. The rest of letters, what, dear? 26 letters. Totally 26 letters. Let's balance 21 letters. Less 5, balance 21 letters. That's are called that letters are called consonants. Okay, here what is a? We are write nouns before and in the vowels. We can write nouns before we can write before consonants. that is consonants. Okay. Okay. Here we can see dear an apple. Yeah, apple is what is this dear? Apple, elephant, ice cream, orange, umbrella. Okay. Here we can write before an apple, we can say an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, and umbrella. Okay. Yeah, can you understand? Yeah. Okay dears, these are called article. These are called article. Now before I explain. Okay. Yeah, a cow. Here can you see here, nouns begin with consonants. We can put a. Okay. Yeah. A man. Okay. A girl. Here dear, nouns begin with vowels. Yeah. Are you seen before? An apple, tell. An elephant, an octopus. Why are you here an octopus? Can you tell anybody? Yeah, superb. Here O is a vowel letter. So here we can put an. Okay. Yeah. Yes. An ink bottle. An ink bottle. Here I is a vowel letter. So we can write before an. Things we see in the school. Okay dears, what are the things see in the school dears? See the things. What are the things do you see in the school? Yeah. Can you take? Do you take school bag? Yeah. Do you have school bags? Yeah. Do you have books, sharpener, eraser, pencils? Okay, these are school things. I mean, these things are have in your bag. Yeah, you have in your bag these things. Yeah, superb. Yes. What is this dear? This is a projector dear. We can see the picture. We can see alphabet charts, rhymes. We can see stories. All we can see through this projector. So it is very useful for us. Okay. Yeah. What is this dear? This is a duster. This is a duster. Stapler. Are you seeing in your school? Are you seeing in your school? Yeah, this is a stapler. What dear? At class? Yeah, this is a notebook. This is a notebook. We have to use this notebook for written purpose. Okay? Yeah, this is our classroom things. Can you tell apart from this? Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah. Marker, chalk. Very good. Chalk. What is this dear? These are chalk. Then last, one of the important one in our classroom. Can you tell? Yeah, blackboard. What is this? Blackboard is one of the very important things in our classroom. Then here globe, map, charts, desk, then table, cupboard. These are classroom things. Okay dear. Okay, next week நம்ம எல்லாரும் SA2 எக்ஸாம் எழுத போகிறோம். அதுக்கு தான் இந்த ரிவிஷன் மேம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இப்போ இந்த ரிவிஷனை பார்த்து நீங்கள் என்னென்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க, ஆல்ஃபபெட்ஸ் என்னென்ன, யுவர் கேஜி இன்னும். ஸோ we have split very less portion dear. We would given with only very less syllabus, less portions. Okay dears. Alphabets. What are these alphabets? Articles. Yeah, we have only very simple article, alphabets, vowels, consonants. இது மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். சரியா? அதாவது ஏபிசிடி தான் உங்களுக்கு பேசிக் ஃபுல்லாகவே ஏபிசிடி. தென் கிளாஸ் ரூம், ஆர்டிக்கிள், இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறீங்க. அப்புறம் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஏன் இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்கோம் தெரியுமா? இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் SA2 எக்ஸாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆக போதில்ல, அதுக்காக தான் இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ அழகாக படித்து இப்போ மேம் சொல்லி கொடுத்ததெல்லாம் அழகாக ரைட் பண்ணிடுவீங்களா டியா? யா, சூப்பர். ஐ வில் பிலீவ் ஃபார் யூ. எனக்கு உங்கள் மேலே ரொம்ப நம்பிக்கை இருக்குது. நீங்கள் சூப்பராக எழுதுவீங்க. எல்லோரும் குட் மார்க்ஸ் வாங்க போகிறீங்க கன்ஃபார்மாக எனக்கு தெரியும். அழகாக எழுதணும். ஓகே, ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப நீட்டாக இருக்கணும். பேப்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் மடக்கக்கூடாது, கிழிக்கக்கூடாது. அழகாக உங்களுக்கு உங்களுக்கு எல்லா லெட்டர்ஸும் 26 லெட்டர்ஸும் தெரியுது. அதனால் அதை அழகாக எந்தெந்த பிளேஸில் எப்படி எழுதணுமோ நிறுத்தி நிதானமாக அழகாக எழுதியிருக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி வவ்வல்ஸ்னால் என்ன, கன்சனன்ஸ்னால் என்னன்றதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்க. வவ்வல்ஸ்னால் 5 லெட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும்தான். அப்போ வவ்வல் லெட்டர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி எப்போவுமே என்ன சேர்க்கணும், கண்ணை மூடிட்டு ஏ ஆன் சேர்க்கணும். அதர்வைஸ் இந்த கான்சனன்ட் லெட்டர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி மட்டும் சேர்த்தா போதும். அவ்வளோதான் உங்களுக்கு போர்ஷன்ஸ். வவ்வல்ஸ், கன்சனன்ட்ஸ், ஆர்டிகல்ஸ், இதுதான். தென் ஆல்ஃபபெட் சார்ட்ஸ். ஓகே டியர், நீங்களாம் நல்லா படித்து அழகாக எக்ஸாம் எழுதி நெக்ஸ்ட்டு நீங்கள் எங்கே போக போகிறீங்க? பெரிய பிள்ளைங்களாயிட்டீங்க. யூகேஜி போக போகிறீங்க. யூகேஜி போக போகிறீங்க. ஸோ நீங்கள் எல்லோரும் நல்லா எழுதணும். ஓகே, bye bye, see you, all the best dears.